Okay, so this is the second video of my 4. This one's going to look at completing the square. So I know my completing the square form is a number in with the x all squared plus a number on the outside, and because I'm solving, I'm going to make it equal to 0. So before I go any further, I'm just going to rearrange this equation so it is in the same format, because I know that that is the same as x plus a times x plus a plus b on the outside equals 0. So that's x squared plus 2ax plus a squared plus b if I use FOIL. And if you need to go back and look at how to do FOIL, you need to go back and look at my Year 11 page. So I've expanded the double bracket. I've got an expression. I can say that the number in front of my x, my coefficient, in that expansion should be the same as the number there. I can also say this expansion at the end that has nothing to do with x should be the same as my constant. And that means I can solve this, because I can say that 2a equals 6, so a equals 3. That's by using the red expansion. And I can say a squared plus b equals minus 40, but I know a is 3, so I get 9 plus b equals minus 40, so b equals minus 49. So at this point, I can convert this expression into my completing square version, which is x plus 3 all squared minus 49 equals 0. So I've managed to write my quadratic in the completed square format. Now I can rearrange it. So I can take x plus 3 all squared equals 49. X plus 3, if I undo the square, I get a square root. So I find the square root of 49. So x equals 3. Now remember, when I work out my square root, I get a plus and a minus of 49, which is x is equal to 3 plus or minus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, 3 minus 7 is minus 4. And you'll remember that my two roots that I found under my factorised form were 10 and minus 4. This method's the same. Okay, so that's my two different methods. Sometimes completing the square is easier, sometimes factorising is easier. Sometimes neither of them are going to work and you need to use the quadratic formula, which is what the next video is going to be about.